Hey, it's Travis with Lifetime Quality Roofing. I'm standing here with John. He's one of our homeowners. We were able to help him get a brand new roof here with his homeowner's insurance. John, a couple questions for you. What's your experience been like working with Lifetime Quality Roofing?
Experience was good. You know, I was going to be calling roofers. I actually did call a bunch of roofers, get a bunch of quotes, and Travis was referred over to me, and a great process. And coming out, doing an inspection, figuring out ways that we can actually work with the insurance company, because I did have some issues with the roof. And it was a very, very smooth process of about, I would say, 2 to 3 weeks total time with insurance. So it was very quick.
Perfect. What has Lifetime Quality Roofing been able to do for you?
Do for me, I mean, obviously a question that you're probably going to ask, but more so just like saving me a ton of money. You know, going through different routes and companies coming over to look at the roof. Definitely, you know, Lifetime Quality was able to cut down the process, honestly, and it was a one-stop shop, if you will.
Perfect. When you spoke on saving you money, how much money were we actually able to save you?
I would say anywhere, I didn't do the exact numbers, but it's got to be anywhere around $7,000.
Perfect. Do you love your new roof?
Yeah, I mean, as much as one can love a roof, you know, like I'm happy with knowing that I shouldn't have to worry about leaks and damage underneath of the roof or things I can't see in the attic. So that is actually more of a comfort than actually liking the roof. I got to pick out a color, which I do like the color of. So as far as that goes, yeah, I do like my roof as much as one can like a roof.
Perfect. And would you recommend Lifetime Quality Roofing to any of your friends and family?
Absolutely. You know, name's already gone out. I know, you know, it's definitely a good product. It's something that, you know, if you pay for insurance, it's something that you should be doing. You should be getting a free estimate, a free quote, just having someone come to look at your house, because at the end of the day, you do pay home insurance for a reason, and this is why. So it was been a huge help. It saved me, you know, a couple $1,000s, which is just fantastic. And I don't know why I wouldn't refer to anyone, especially when it's a free estimate. So
absolutely. Well, John, we appreciate your business, and for any of you out there who haven't had your roof looked at yet, feel free to give me a call or give our office a call. They can get somebody assigned and come out and take a look at your property, give you a free 17-point inspection, and see if there's, you know, any way we can help you out, kind of like we helped John out. John, appreciate it.
Thanks a lot.
Absolutely.